Stickasaurus here. Today we're starting on a Dynaman Pink. It didn't print super well. I'm still dealing with this terrible filament. I've tried every setting I could do and it just won't print. I can put different batch, same color, same temperature, everything. I can just throw that while this is still printing and it prints like butter. But we're almost done with this, so hopefully our life will get a little easier, but we'll see. Beautiful model by 3D Command Center. He has all the Dynaman models. You're welcome. I did commission all of them. And we've got a bunch more teams coming, but we need to get going on these. I don't have any of the Dynaman I started like even close to being done yet, so kind of let myself down. But this should be okay. The back is almost done. It is still printing. We're right behind us, right there. Yep, that's it. Almost done. So we'll get some spot peon on this first. That's probably the most important, especially with all these striations. It's probably the best bet right now. So let's get to it. Getting there. I think these last two Dynaman are really going. So this is what, pink. So I can't tell them apart. I'm too far away to read the emblem, but this is pink for sure. Just making sure. I don't want to mix these up when I actually go to do the videos. But just put another coat of primer on there. We might be getting close to wet sanding. We might have to do some spot filling. These ones didn't print that bad, so should be getting there. I'm getting excited. I almost have red done, so if we can start knocking these out. Actually, I still have yellow in the print bed, so it's going to take a little bit, but yeah, they've been pretty easy so far. Definitely still see some banding on the back here. We will just have to put another coat of putty, I guess, and see how it looks. Not a big deal, not a big deal. The back doesn't look too bad here, definitely. So we'll do that. Well, we're going to get the base coat on here. I'm not sure what pink to use. I'm going to go with the prickly pear. The reference I have is really good lighting and all that. It's like high res, but like it's a weird pink. It's not that hard candy pink. You know, it's definitely more like this. And also I can tell from the reference I just found that this is definitely like a lenticular sticker or something. So I might have to look into that. We might have to put that on the red. He's over there, you can't see him, but I just did the emblem in gold and I really don't like it, so I'm gonna look into that this week, but we're gonna get the base coat on this. I hope this is enough paint. It feels like just over half a can, but this stuff covers poorly, so we'll see. This might be a little too dark, I don't know. It's so hard to tell. I'll do one more coat with what I have left in that can. I don't know. I'm not like super happy with it, but it's gonna have to do, I think. I think it's too humid to be painting today, honestly. This is the second like coat of paint that's been weird on a helmet I did. Not even like different colors and everything, so actually like the third now that I think about it. So it might be just too hot and humid in here to paint, so I don't know how much more we're gonna get done today, but I'll definitely get that other coat on. We already started, so have to now, so we'll see. We will see. Then we'll figure out what we're going to do about the emblem. I think we have this masked well enough. We're going to do some flat black on it. Hopefully the line looks okay. You know, lines the whole way back. Always hard to get the thickness right, but I think we got it. So we'll do black on this, let it dry, mask the black, do the silver, and then we'll do the vinyl for the top. So should be good. not super happy with this, but we're going to roll with it. We're going to put the detail lines on, a couple of touch-ups, maybe. I can't tell what... I don't understand these visors still. I don't get what's going on here, but it looks right. I don't know. We'll do that, and we'll get it cleared. Hopefully that helps. Well, there we go. It's not the best. I think we crisped it up enough that it looks good. So we're going to clear on it, and we'll see how it goes. Time to add the magnets and elastic and the visor. It should be pretty simple. It doesn't look like a very complicated visor, but I've been wrong before. It's all done. No idea, but this back doesn't fit up very well. I don't know. I think I mixed up all these backs at some point. Or they just aren't right. I don't know. But it is what it is. It closes. And it looks fine on the top. So let's get to spin around. And there we have it. This is our second Dynaman helmet finished. Dyna Pink. And man, I think it turned out wonderful. I don't understand down here yet. I think I'm doing it right with like the black halfway kind of thing. I don't know. It's really weird. It's like an eye illusion to me, but I hope this looks okay. That's what I did with red. I'm probably just going to continue with the rest of them like this. The other three are almost done, I believe. Blue, we just have two things left to do on it. Black, we got to do the back. And yellow's got a lot to do, but we'll get there. I hope you're enjoying these as much as I am. I wish we could do the emblems a little better. I don't know how to get that lenticular look. I really need to try to find some lenticular vinyl, honestly. And if we do, I probably need like a Cricut or something to actually cut it out precisely. Having this modeled, maybe we could figure something out. I'm not sure, but maybe in the future, you know how I am with Yellow Ranger helmets for teams. Still don't have Denzi yellow done or goggle yellow. So maybe the trouble one of this set, Dyna Yellow, might hold out long enough till we can figure that out. But we'll see. I really want to get these bossed out. They're cool helmets. I don't know what's wrong with the backs. They don't really all fit that great. Maybe I mixed them up at some point. So that's on me. I know blacks is definitely blacks because I reprinted it. But I don't know. I just printed all Flashman and I made sure to write in what color the backs and fronts are. Fronts, because they're very hard to tell without the visors in them. They all look pretty much the same. They don't even have the gems in them either. So sometimes I get confused. But I hope you like this. Really, really cool helmets. We will get the rest of the team going here. I think blue and black are kind of the fan favorites. I mean, red, of course, but, I've never really seen anyone do a pink. I don't even know if this is the right color pink. Like some of the Gokaiser pictures, it looked like this kind of pink, but also like the original footage, it's kind of like a candy pink. So, I went with this because I kind of like it, but is it accurate? I'm not 100% sure. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Follow me on TikTok, and Instagram, and Twitter at Stickasaurus. Facebook, Stickasaurus Custom Props. Down in the description is a link tree that has a link to the merch store. We got cool new shirts. Patreon, if you're interested in computer builds, helmet files, custom helmets, exclusive videos, all kinds of stuff like that. Exclusive Discord channels. Make sure you join that. And then also, the Discord is down in there if you want to come talk to everybody. Prop makers, we got
all kinds of toy collectors and everything in there. So come hang out, make new friends. It's a good time. It's definitely a good time. We have Flashman going. That should be the next team, I think. They're almost done, and I also start printing Mask Man. So that's as well coming. So if you're looking forward to those teams, just hold out a little longer. I'm getting there, I promise. We will hopefully have them soon. We're also getting super close to 2K subs. Hopefully by the time this video does come out, we are there and the tournament has gone through. We figured out what helmet will be the video. If not, still, thanks for all your support. I super appreciate it. I can't believe this many people want to watch me even make these every day. Also follow me on Twitch. We're Twitch streaming now. So check that out. It's Stickasaurus Rex. It's down in the description. I forgot about that. Just started doing it like last week. So make sure you tune in for that. Every weekend we have 2 streams usually at least. So always schedule in the Discord or on the socials. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And there we have it. This is our second Live Man helmet.